Greetings, parents and tutor. My name is Maria Jose Loaiza. Today I'm going to talk about International Phonetic Alphabet. So I'm going to start with the vowels. This is a sound longer. Sheep, sheep. This is a sound shorter. Sheep, sheep. This is a U. Good, good. Or put, put. This is a U but longer. Like shoot, shoot. Or moon, moon. This is a beth, beth. Or saith, saith. This is a schwa. It's a lazy sound. Teacher, teacher. Or the. Or about, about. This is a schwa but longer. Bird, bird. Or hurt, hurt. This is a door, door. Or walk, walk. Cat, cat. Or back, back. This is a up lazy sound, like up, up. Or cut, cut. Okay. If the sound is longer, like up, far, far. Or er, er. Okay. This is a on, or not, not. Okay, those were the vowels. Now with the consonants. The letters with the blue color produce voice. That is the vocal cords vibrate. Okay. Pick, pick. Or pen, pen. Bed, bed. Or back, back. Time, time, time. Blue, blue. Or duck, duck. Church, church. Or ships, ships. Judge, judge. Or jump, jump. K, K, K. Or car, car. Okay. Go, go. Or green, green. 5, 5. Or fire, fire. Okay. Very, very. Or video, video. Okay. Vibrative voice. Think, think, think. Or the. That. Or this. 6. Or see. A vibrative. Z. Or zebra. Short. Or shop. Television. Or casual. Okay. Okay. Milk. Okay. This next. No. Or funny. Zinc. Or uncle. Hello. Or house. Okay. Leaf. Or light. Read. read, or very, very, or wrong, wrong, window, window, yes, yes, no, yes, yes, yes. Okay. This is all for today. Thank you so much.